Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. First we opening colors. Yes, white color. Kids, the next one is silver color. Silver color. Stay with us. So many colors. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Light green color. And the next one is light pink color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Wow, so many colors. Red color. Red color. And the next one is blue color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow color. Yellow color. Black color. Black color. Kids, the next one is orange color. Orange color. And the next one is brown color. Stay with us. Dark pink color. Dark pink color. And the last one is light green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. So kids, first we're writing alphabets A to B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And the next one is numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one is 10. Yes, dark green color. Now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. K. K for kite. Yes, yellow color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Light pink color. 1. The next one is 2, 3. 3 for 5. 5. 4, 5. The next one is 6. Yes, black color. 6, SIX. 7, 8. The next one is 9 and the last one is 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.